In this video, I'll show you how to check your CPU temperature and what to do if it's running too high. This is important because your computer's performance and lifespan depend on keeping the CPU cool. First, let's check the temperature. If you're using Windows, the easiest way is to download a free program called Core Temp. Go to the Core Temp website, download the installer, and follow the steps to install it. Once it's installed, open the program. You'll see a list of cores and the current temperature next to each one. These numbers update in real time, so you'll see if the temperature goes up while you're using your computer. If you're using a Mac, you can use a tool called macsfancontrol or istatmenus. Install it, and it will show you the current temperature of your CPU, along with other hardware information. A normal CPU temperature when idle is usually between 30 and 50 degrees Celsius. When under heavy use, like gaming or video editing, it can go up to 80 degrees. But anything over 90 degrees is too high and could damage your hardware. If your CPU is running too hot, there are a few things you can do. First, check your computer's air vents. Dust can build up and block airflow. Use a can of compressed air to clean out the vents and fans. You can also open your computer and clean the fans directly if you're comfortable doing that. Next, make sure your computer is in a cool environment. Don't place it on a bed or soft surface that blocks airflow. Use it on a flat surface like a desk. You can also buy a laptop cooling pad to help reduce the temperature. If the problem continues, you might need to replace the thermal paste between your CPU and its cooler. This is more advanced and should only be done if you know how to safely take apart your computer. Finally, check that your CPU fan is working correctly. You can usually hear it spin, and some programs like hwmonitor can show you the fan speed. If the fan isn't working, it may need to be replaced. That's how to check your CPU temperature and what to do if it's too high. Thanks for watching.